In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add voice notes to Google Sheets. The basic idea is simple. You will store your audio file in Google Drive, adjust the sharing settings so the link works for others, and then paste that link into a cell in Google Sheets. When you click the link from the sheet, the audio opens from Drive so it can be played. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. Click into the cell where you want the voice note to appear. If you already have text in that cell, highlight it so you can replace it cleanly. Take a moment to choose a cell that makes sense for your layout, like next to a name, a task, or a date. This keeps your voice notes organized and easy to find later. Next, go to Google Drive and locate the audio recording you want to use. Click the audio file to select it. Make sure you select the correct recording, especially if you have multiple files with similar names. With the file selected, open the Share option. This is where you control who can access the recording. In the sharing window, find the link access setting and change it to anyone with the link. This step matters because if the file stays restricted, other people will see an access denied message when they click your link from the spreadsheet. If you are working with private data, only use this setting when it is appropriate for your situation and your organization. After you set it to anyone with the link, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable URL to your clipboard. Now return to your Google Sheets tab, click back into the cell you chose earlier, and paste the link. Once the link is pasted, Google Sheets should recognize it as a clickable link. To confirm everything is working, click the link in the cell. The recording should open from Google Drive in a new tab or window, and you can play it from there. If it does not open correctly, the most common issue is sharing permissions. So go back to Drive and verify the link access is still set properly. And that covers everything you need to know.